The Pixel A series has always been known as Google's reliable budget line. Every year, the big question is the same: will the next model stay affordable, or will the price finally go up? With the Google Pixel 10a expected next year, the same debate has returned. Many leaks and reports now paint a clearer picture, and the clues suggest why the price may stay the same, or why a hike could still happen. The Pixel 10a is following a strong tradition. For 3 generations in a row, Google has kept the same $40.99 starting price for its budget model. The Pixel 7a, Pixel 8a, and Pixel 9a all launched at $499. This consistency has helped the line maintain its identity as a simple and reliable mid-range choice. If history repeats itself, the Pixel 10a should arrive with the same $499 price tag as well. But price consistency only happens when the hardware allows it, and this year, the hints point toward another stable launch. Many reports claim that Google is not planning any major hardware jumps for the Pixel 10a. No new design, no flagship processor, no major storage upgrade. All of these signs fit the pattern of a device built to maintain the $499 price. One of the biggest clues is the processor. While the Pixel 10 series uses Google's new Tensor G5 chip, the Pixel 10a is expected to stick with the older Tensor G4. This may disappoint fans who are hoping for the latest AI features, smoother performance, and longer software support. However, using an older processor is one of the simplest ways for Google to control manufacturing costs. It also allows the phone to stay affordable in a year when nearly every smartphone brand is struggling with rising component prices. Choosing the Tensor G4 might signal that Google is intentionally holding the Pixel 10a back so the main Pixel 10 lineup remains more premium. But at the same time, it increases the chances of keeping the same $499 starting price. In today's competitive market, this trade-off could be Google's strategy to keep its budget phone appealing. Interestingly, the regular flagship Pixel line showed a similar behavior this year. After years of increasing prices, the Pixel 10 launched at the same starting price as the Pixel 9. That was unusual because flagship Pixel prices had been rising for several generations. This shift could indicate that Google is trying to stabilize prices across the lineup. And if the flagship pricing calmed down, the budget model might follow the same approach. Design is another area where the Pixel 10a isn't expected to change much. Many leaks suggest that the phone will look almost identical to the Pixel 9a. Keeping the same chassis and design means Google doesn't have to spend more time or money developing new molds, materials, or production methods. Reusing a design often leads to lower costs, which again supports the idea of maintaining the $499 price. There are also reports about storage technology. The Pixel 10 series upgraded to UFS 4.0, a faster and more efficient storage standard. The Pixel 10a, however, is expected to stay on UFS 3.1. This won't drastically affect everyday tasks for most users, but it does mean that Google is avoiding another expensive component. As long as the base storage option remains 128 GB, the chances of a price increase remain low. The only major scenario where a price hike becomes likely is if Google removes the 128 GB variant. This is something Apple recently did with the iPhone 17, and it instantly pushed the starting price higher. If Google follows that path and makes 256 GB the new minimum, then the Pixel 10a could break the $499 tradition. But so far, no leaks point towards such a move. Putting all the pieces together gives a clear picture. The Pixel 10a is expected to launch with an older processor, familiar design, and older storage technology. These choices line up perfectly with the goal of keeping the same starting cost. While the smartphone industry continues to face rising production expenses, Google seems ready to make compromises to protect the $499 price point. However, there is always a small chance that things could change. If Google decides to adjust storage options or add new features unexpectedly, the price could shift upward. But based on everything known so far, the Pixel 10a is shaping up to keep its position as one of the most stable and dependable budget phones in terms of pricing. Overall, the signs strongly suggest that the Pixel 10a will launch at $4099, continuing the long-running trend of affordable and consistent A-series phones. Until official confirmation arrives, all eyes will remain on Google to see whether it sticks to tradition or surprises the market with a new strategy.